further recording. So whoops, here we go. So I'm here, right? We just built it. You just click open. And you can grab the code right here if you click the share button at the top. So you just click share and it will give you a link. Or you can click the three dots and it'll ask you, do you want to copy the code or view the code? So I'll just go full screen. You can see it works here. Hi guys. Little bit different. I can certainly help you with that request. Here's a draft to get you started. Okay, cool, do it. Based on what you're asking, I'd recommend looking into a few key areas first. Okay, let's go. What am I asking? It might not be perfect yet, but you just tuned it a little bit. Okay. Update. So if we have an issue with it, here's what we do next, okay? So you click back, right? It's not working perfect. We just go to the bottom here. So there's the AI there, and here's Gemini all working all together here. So we want to say update or upgrade your LLM because it's a large language model and knowledge base. Let's say just to say knowledge and personality, right? Let's just try it. I'm just doing it on the fly. This is vibe coding right here, everybody. So totally we're just vibing, going with the flow. We're going to let it do its thing. And it's going to do that, analyzing the API. That's the LLM. You don't even need to know this stuff. You don't even have to pay attention. Because when it's ready, it's going to tell you. She'll pop up. She'll start speaking to you. Here's what I did. It's probably almost done. What are we at? 2 minutes again, right? We tried it. We tested it. We saw it didn't work. And we're going to go change it now. Worked good enough. So it's telling us it's connecting to the Gemini 2.5 Flash. So it's got that now. Context awareness, persona, configured to be helpful, clever, and concise, perfect for a mobile interface. Here's the upgraded code. So it's already done. Let's say upgrade the voice, though. Let's say this. Give me, whoops. It's just loading up the new version. Give me 3 choices of voices to select. It's got to be specific. Don't go too crazy. Voices to select from. Add a sidebar. It's probably not there when you take a screenshot. Add a sidebar pop out. Telling you do this, you're gonna get the exact same result. Basically, add a sidebar pop out with a button. With a drop down, let's say, sorry. Drop down. I don't type much. Drop down choices. Choice of voice. Let's say / persona. Let's let it go a little bit further. All right, enter. So now that's done. We're at 3.5 minutes. Just want to show you how simple it actually is. I'm sitting here on my phone, relaxing up at the top floor. Waves are still coming in, as always. People are still walking around. And we're just waiting for this to finish. Should be about done. Sometimes these bigger voice things take bigger updates, but it might not. And we're going to see if it did it for us. Like, I'm not going to do anything. You're going to see how easy it is. I mean, this is the easy part. This is the fun part. That's why they call it vibe coding, because it's like such a vibe to be like, what? I just built a whole freaking app? A chat GPT, let alone? So it's fun that way. Definitely allows you to be very creative. For me, it sure does. So we're almost at 5 minutes here. We're just going to keep letting it go. And if you wanted to add anything else, you could like get ready, start typing it there. Or you could be checking it out already and looking at it on a link. So it's done. Let's see how it worked. Let's open it back up big. Let's see if we can click the sidebar. Oh, look at that. Wow. Standard, professional, or witty friend. All right, let's try the witty friend. Okay. We can start new chats now. Look at that. Impressive, right? So like, hey, let's go hi. Because last time we said hi. Oh my gosh, look at you absolutely crushing it with that monumental 2-letter greeting. Oh my god, that's too funny. I couldn't help but laugh at that. Right on. So let's see if the voice works. Nope. Can we voice to it? Nope. Can we? Nope. See, then you add all this stuff, right? Because it's not actually set up there. But this all is. Let's try the professional. Let's say hi now. Did it switch? Always test all your updates. Ooh. No good, right? Let's try the other one. Standard. What's standard do? You know what? Let's just stop that. We want to actually do a further update. Click back. Sorry, click back. And add voice to voice speech. Add text. Add speech to text. Want to add all these things when you're going to add voice, add speech to text so it could handle everything better, okay? Add voice to voice speech, add speech to text, and add, here's what we're doing on all the command apps. Add command site control. Open sidebar. I'm just going to actually tell it so it like does it perfect for us the first time. Open sidebar, or let's say paste text. Paste in copied. Like, you customize your app so well, you know. I actually have one that I use like this, so it's quite funny. Okay, or paste in copy text, or what else should we say it to do? Or activate my change light to dark theme. Sorry, I want to say add light to dark theme. Okay, that should be good. I'd word it a little bit differently. Let's hit that through. 7.5 minutes, and oh, we forgot to let it know that we have a problem with the professional mode. Let's let that go. I just want to see how long some things take here. And I'm sitting outside, and I'm just using, you know, the internet here, not on my Wi-Fi. These things typically take a little while again. Just be patient, but look at what you can do in 8 minutes. So you just give it a moment, then it reloads. Don't do anything in these stages because you can cause problems. You could leave the app, of course. You could just go back to like your phone. It's going to keep going. So that's the awesome thing too. Like, oh, you know, it's just coding over there. Too easy. And this is all the easy stuff, like I said. If you want to get into like full deployment of these things, book a time with me. You can jump on my calendar. We can talk about what you want to build. If you don't know what you want to build, I can advise you on that as well. Hopefully you made it to this part of the video. And if you want me to do more of these videos, comment below, make more videos, or SaaS. Actually, let's go with make more videos. Then I know for sure you made it this far. 8.5 minutes though. Congratulations if you did. So we're about at 9 minutes. There we go. All right, let's see if it worked. Let's go full screen again. Permissions needed, right? It should refresh. Okay, let's try again. All right, are you there? Well, I didn't hear her speak back though. Okay, great. Let's try our mic again. All right, perfect, perfect. Let's do this. There we go. That's just like ChatGPT. It doesn't pop up while you're writing it, right? It's like it does a recording. Does this work yet? No. Awesome. I'm ready when you are. What's on your mind? Do a little further testing. Well, we're trying out this app. We're seeing if it can work when we're on a recording and a microphone. Looks like we had an error. All right, so look guys, you can see that like there's different things we could do. We already got light dark mode as well. Pretty handy. So imagine what you could do here. Let me just give you another idea. If you did make it this far, you're owed a little bit more. So I'm going to just, again, go back. So you could say this. I like this one. What recommendations, improvements, and performance and intuitive ability can you do to revolutionize, okay, watch now, revolutionize this build, okay, just call it the build, this project, okay, do everything, this is for fun, okay, do everything you recommend and debug before telling me complete for deployment. Okay, so what recommendations, improvements, and performance intuitive ability can you do to revolutionize this build? Do everything you recommend and debug it before telling me complete for deployment. Debug gets rid of all the problems, attempts to, it identifies them, it looks through. You've got to go in depth with that, sometimes tell it a lot of stuff. And before telling me complete, because it'll just build you something and not do everything. You might want to add in here as well, complete every task, don't miss anything, and keep it running to-do list. That's what I do, okay? So that's another little tip. So if you did make it this far, you're getting this extra information here. This is like key stuff to building this to then get to deployment, right? You can get it pretty close. Sometimes they take a while. Smaller, less features, quicker to deployment. So we're just gonna hit go, enter. And that one might take a little bit, but you never know. This is where I start building most things. I can go test prototypes in here. You guys have already tried the full working apps you've seen me put out there. And if you made it this far, I want you to comment LFG. If you know what that means, you know what it means. But just put LFG. Looks like we're just about done here on this. So let's just let that go through. 13 minutes. Thanks for staying and watching. I'm going to do more of these. And if you want me to do more, make sure you, if you did make it this far, right, comment LFG. You know, it means let's go. If you don't know. So we're getting there. Like I said, this one may be a little bit longer. If you have questions, put them below. If you built something, share below. I built a whole group for this where I'm going to be giving away app after app after app. And yeah, some of them, they're going to cost money, but they're always going to be free for you to go try. And that's the great thing. Not like the other guys do it where it's, oh, sign up for free, but you can't use a single thing. It's like, it's real unethical. But I've learned a lot of others do it, and we won't do it that way. So there we go. We got our build, 14 minutes. Let's go test it out. So I don't even know what it added, right? I wonder what it did. Oh, here we go. Are you listening? Clear chat. How are you? We had to allow the microphone here. Oh, we got a glitch. We got a bug. So now we'd want to go debug. So I'm going to leave it right there. Live build. If you're here at this stage, go ahead, do your debug. I don't want to leave you hanging. If you have questions, let me know below. If you build something, let me know below. If you're working on something, you want to get started on something, let me know below. LFG, all right? Drop it. Let's go.